problem. I'm sure we have got all capability to come out of the whole problems. Okay, so real estate has been into problems, and because of that, many developers also has been facing various problems, and we have seen a lot of developers going bad, defaulting on various loan payments. Certain developers also, getting into FIRs and the criminal cases against them and all that, whatnot. Okay, so all those issues have been happening. However, 2019 was a silver lining for the industry. Okay, if you remember, with Blue Water launching, we got entire positivity in the whole industry in Pune, and other sectors, other cities also performed in the similar line. And 2019 was far better year for most of the developers. Okay, so जो developer पहले problem में थे, they started thinking 2019 that they are now about to come out of the whole problem. Okay, so suddenly ये thought process आना शुरू हो गया था, and by the time of Jan, Feb, March, the last quarter of 2019, this kind of and everybody said that now real estate is coming out of the whole lot of problem, and we will be much better place, after 6 months or so. सब लोग हैं, channel partners रहने दो या developers रहने दो, सब बड़े-बड़े plans करके रखे थे. ठीक है? So there was one sector of developers. We were already in the deep shit, and they were trying to look up and trying to come out of it. Okay, now one segment of developers. I will stop here. Okay, there is another set of developers who are doing average. Okay, who are doing average in this period, but obviously again cautiously optimistic, looking at the way 2019 was a little better. Okay, so there was middle level of developers. The third level of developers, very few, they were doing damn good. They were perhaps ruling the market. Very few. Okay, 2, 3, 4 developers in each city. Okay, so they were doing damn good in last 2, 3 years. Okay, so I categorize again developers in these 3 categories. Okay, obviously everybody was expecting to be having a very bright future, and suddenly this thing happened. Okay, this was not imagined by anybody and everybody. Okay, no Jyotish of our country. Okay, no financial expert, no health expert. Okay, now अभी काफी theories आ रहे हैं, सब रहने दो, कोई काम के नहीं है theories आपके. ठीक है, किसी ने प्रोडिक्ट नहीं किया, किसी ने किसी को तैयार नहीं किया कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. ठीक है, so suddenly we all got into a problem. Okay, which was you can say completely out of syllabus, never ever imagined, even by our fathers. Our fathers also have not seen this kind of a scenario. Leave aside our generation. Okay, so in short, we have got into another deep problem, and now what's going to happen? So I had categorized builders in these 3. The first category, which was already in bad condition, trying to look up and trying to come out of the whole problem, whole probability they will further get back into the problem. They will be the first one to get into the problem. 1. Okay, the second category, who are doing average. Okay, I think out of average, more than 50% or 60%, okay, will get into problem, or they will quietly step aside and keep quiet. They will not like to take any more risk. Very few of them, okay, will continue. Okay, third category, who were doing damn good, okay, in last 2-3 years, though very few. Out of that also, 75% will do good, 25% will not do good. Because even ahead, okay, while they have done very good till now, how do they manage the whole scenario later on? That will decide also whether they remain in the very good category or they slip into the average category. But obviously, they are the safest bet as of now. They are the safest bet as of now. Okay, so this is how I categorize the impact on the developers. There will be sure shot impact on the developers, no doubt about it. It also means that the number of developers, the performing developers, okay, is now very rapidly coming down. Earlier, there were like thousands of developers operating in the same market, coming down to hundreds, and now don't be surprised, this is coming down in 2 digits now. And absolutely top performing, absolutely less than 5. In short, in the so-called expert language, the consolidation will be very fast. Like any other industry or telecom or banking, there will be few players, okay, who will be operating in the market. That's where the brand game, the customer orientation, and all that not will come into picture like any other industry. In short, real estate industry is going to go through a complete revolution, not a evolution, complete revolution. Okay, the whole set of developers who have been performing anyway, they are not there now, and further there will be reduction of the developers coming in. Okay, which means it will be dominated or ruled, okay, by few developers. Okay, and that's where even customers will be more demanding. Customer will demand a lot of customer centricity, customer orientation, brand centric approach. Long term approach will be required from the developer. Whosoever has got a short term approach, okay, may not survive for a longer time. Okay, may not survive. I'm saying only may not. You never know. I don't want to predict anything. Okay, I'm saying may not. It will be tough for them to survive. If somebody has got a long term approach towards this business, okay, now this the same rule applies to channel partners. If the channel partners is aggressive, very well managed, okay, have taken care of the savings and the earnings till now very, very well, is highly customer oriented, fundamentals are in place, they will do better. Others will struggle. We are all in the same boat. Be it developers, all the channel partners. We are all in the same boat. Whosoever has got a short-term approach, okay, will find it tough to survive. Okay, whosoever has got good long-term approach along with the short-term strategy in place, okay, will be better placed. Okay, that's my summary on the real estate and the channel partner business. There will be a lot of stress for developers as well as channel partners. How to pay the salaries when there is no business? How to take care of the expenses? Money is not coming in from customers. Money may not come to channel partners from developers. Okay, so all the challenges one might have to get into own self reserves. Okay, if you are taken care of the reserves very well till now, be it developer or channel partners, you are better placed to handle this problem. Whatever said and done, okay, this year is not going to talk, about talking about 100% growth or 50% growth or something like that. Okay, I think even if somebody is managing to get the same business of the last financial year, that will be a huge achievement. Okay, let's be very, very realistic, and let me tell you, even to sustain the last years of business